You used to talk for hours. You laughed at inside jokes, cuddled on the couch, and shared dreams. Now it's just, did you pick up the groceries? Why didn't you take out the trash? If you feel like you and your partner are becoming strangers, you are not alone. Many couples drift apart after a few years of marriage. But the good news? It's fixable. Stay with me. I'll tell you exactly why it happens and 5 powerful ways to reconnect. Hey there, welcome to Marriage Realities. In this channel, we talk about real love, real challenges, and how to build relationships that stand the test of time. If you've been feeling emotionally distant from your partner, this video might change the way you see your marriage. Let's dive in. Section 1. Why do couples drift apart? Number 1. Reason. Life becomes routine. In the beginning, everything about your partner and your married life feels new and exciting to you. But as time goes by, bills, work, kids, errands, everything becomes predictable. You stop exploring each other and start just functioning together. You become partners in logistics instead of partners in love. Number 2. Lack of emotional check-ins. When was the last time you asked each other, are you truly happy? Is there anything bothering you lately? Emotional connection fades when we stop checking in. And without that emotional intimacy, physical and romantic intimacy also fades. Number 3. Unresolved conflicts. Small resentments that are never addressed can grow silently. That one time you felt unheard, that comment they made in front of friends. These little wounds, left untreated, create emotional distance. Number 4. Lack of physical affection. Physical connection is not just about sex. It's about hugging, touching, holding hands, looking into each other's eyes. Without that touch, couples start feeling like roommates, not lovers. Number 5. Taking each other for granted, you stop saying thank you. You stop noticing the small efforts. When appreciation fades, people feel invisible in their own marriage. Section 2. 5 powerful ways to reconnect. Number 1. Reintroduce mini moments of intimacy. It doesn't take grand gestures. A kiss before leaving home, a hug at the end of the day, holding hands while watching a movie. These mini moments rebuild trust and closeness. Number 2. Have a weekly heart talk. Pick one day a week. Sit down with your partner without distractions and talk. Not about chores, but about emotions. Share what made you feel loved this week and what didn't. Vulnerability rebuilds connection. Number 3. Do something new together. When you break the routine, you reignite the spark. Try a cooking class, a dance workshop, or even just a silly game night. New experiences help you rediscover each other. Number 4. Appreciate out loud. Don't just think it, say it. Thank you for making dinner. I really admire how hard you work. Verbal appreciation makes your partner feel seen and valued. Number 5. Seek help if you need it. There's no shame in needing help. If the distance feels too big to bridge alone, couples therapy can be a game changer. Sometimes a neutral third party helps you hear each other better. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And in the comments, tell me, what's one thing you'll do today to reconnect with your partner? Remember, it's not about going back to the beginning. It's about starting again with more awareness, love, and intention. You've got this.